Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to delete your Shopify online store. So, if you looking at easy video guideline to know how you can easily deactivate or delete your Shopify online store from Shopify platform, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share very easy step that you can do by yourself just with a few clicks. So let's get started.
To do this, first of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then you have to click on the settings. Then click plan. Under the plan, you can see that there is a button named Deactive Store. So you have to click on the Deactive Store. Then your store will be deleted. Also, if you want to change your plan, you can do it from here. So easy and simple.
So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.